Meaning of frame.
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 Frame. The word frame can have various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It could refer to the structure that supports something, such as the frame of a building or picture frame. It could also mean a particular way of presenting or understanding information, as in the frame of a story or a political debate. Additionally, frame can be used as a verb meaning to construct or arrange something in a particular way. In general, frame is a versatile word that can be applied in various situations to convey different meanings related to structure, presentation, and organization.